Namaskar. Census 2027 is about to begin in India. This census is special because it is going to be conducted using digital tools. In the first phase, house listing operations, that is, listing and counting of each household, will be carried out, and in the second phase, population enumeration will be conducted. Let us talk about the first phase. In this phase, designated enumerators will visit houses and collect information about them. However, this process can also be completed through the self-enumeration portal. The head of the household or any family member on his/her behalf can visit the portal and fill in details related to their house and available facilities. Please note, one household should log in using one mobile number only, and the entry must be made on behalf of the head of the household. Once a mobile number is registered for self-enumeration, it cannot be used for another household. The name of the head of the household cannot be changed. If people self-enumerate, the enumeration process becomes easier and faster. Self-enumeration is a special facility. It will be made available 15 days before the house listing operations start in that particular state or union territory. Anyone who wishes may register their details in advance through self-enumeration. This facility will be available only for 15 days before house listing operations. How to enter details on the self-enumeration portal? First, open the SE portal. Then select your state or union territory and then fill in the CAPTCHA. The welcome screen will then guide you through the next steps. The head of the household, for example, Sushila Devi here, enters her name and mobile number. Choose your preferred language, then verification is done through an OTP. The entire process is secure and very simple. Selecting the district and the nearest landmark is necessary. A marker will appear on the map, indicating the landmark you have searched. Now drag the marker to the location of your house. Then click on Save and Next. After this, the HLO questionnaire page will open. Most questions will be option-based. FAQs and tooltips provide instant clarification for any doubt. There will also be a phonetic and virtual keyboard to enter names. If any question or information is left incomplete, the system will automatically prompt you. After filling in all the details, review them carefully. If required, you may make corrections. Save the draft or submit it finally. After submission, an 11-digit SEID starting with H will be displayed on screen. You will also receive it via SMS. When the enumerator visits your home, share this SEID with him or her. The accurate information you provide not only strengthens our country but also presents its true picture. So participate and extend your cooperation. हमारी जनगणना हमारा विकास.